All right, let's talk about systems or step-by-step training. I think they're vital for just about any business or how to run a computer, how to build a Lego kit. Instructions are nice. Step-by-step video training in small little video segments is awesome. Okay. I think that's going to be one of the best ways, if you're watching me right now, to be successful in January of 2024 and on. Okay, over the last 9 months, I've learned a lot. I've learned how to recruit pretty darn good to be in the top 17. I'm number 17 out of 1 million people right now as far as recruiting. And I think that's what your goal is, right? If you're watching, a lot of people are just members buying the products and enjoying them. Some just go to livegood.com and buy normally, like going to Walmart, for example. But if you're an affiliate, no doubt about it, you would like to make an extra $100, maybe $500, or with the same efforts. And if you teach your downline what you do, which is my goal and hopefully my job, is to educate you and help you get people to duplicate and make it fun and make it easy. That's, I think, the goal of being an affiliate, isn't it? To make a lot of money, and that could be defined by 1,000, 5,000, 10,000. You're kind of like setting off just, I hate to say a fire. I don't want to promote wildfires or being a pyromaniac, but you're just kind of sparkling a little bit and you just want to make a beautiful bonfire to roast marshmallows. Let's put it that way. That's how I look at Live Good. You're just doing little fires in the morning or in the afternoon and trying to get a nice little warm flame going, and maybe you can get a beautiful fire. Oh, just, it's nighttime, the sun is setting, and it's stars are up in the sky, and you just want some melted marshmallows. How about that? But you want a beautiful fire. Okay? And that's how I look at Live Good. You're just starting people off slowly, maybe watching your video like this one, or maybe a social media post, and they're just interested. And with an email, it's the subject that gets the email opened. Okay, and the email open, they start reading. It's kind of like blowing on the fire a little bit, like put a little wind on that, put a little breath. All right, and all of a sudden the fire starts going. Okay, and that's where people go, okay, I'm going to click whatever is in that email, or I'm going to click on that Facebook post. What's Cory talking about? Why has he got that Live Good hat on? What's that cat doing? Okay, then they start reading or going to a website, maybe reading some articles about Live Good, some pages, and then little videos, which I have a ton of with the super funnel, and just the Live Good capture page, which is provided and produced by Live Good. Not that it's free, but when you do the $40 one-time affiliate fee, yes, you get your full website and you get a capture page where people just go to a web page, they put in their name, email address, they click reserve, and that does not mean you're signed up. It just means you're in the system. You're going to go look at the website, check out the affiliate pay plan link. You're going to go to the FAQ section and check out the products. Wholesale, retail. I want wholesale. How do I do it? $10. I want to be an affiliate. $40. All right. Okay. $50. I got it. If you have $100, we'll give you 12 months for the price of 10. That's an option. All right. I'll think about that. Okay. Cory says system and step-by-step's good. I want you to buy a couple domain names from like a GoDaddy, for example, because I like to have one link go here and one link go there. In my case, joincory.com goes to the affiliate pay plan link, the Live Good capture page of Live Good, and that will explain the affiliate pay plan and the products and just the opportunity. It's a great 6-minute video. Then the super funnel, and what that is it's a beautiful website where you can read about Live Good while watching little videos. Okay, it's my number one way that I get signups right now. All right, I like systems, but free is kind of cool. And that's what my system is. It's just step-by-step advice. That's all it is, guys. I'm not some miracle worker. I have only been doing this 9 months ever. This type of business, I have zero experience, and I'm kicking massive ass. I'm kicking other people's asses that have been doing this 10, 20, 30 years. Their asses hurt so bad they can't stand it. You know why? Because I wear a size 14. I just bought these slippers at Walmart. Look, you can go boating in these things. You put a little motor on the back. Look, you can put a family of 4 in my foot. That's how much ass I'm kicking right now. And it's all from being simple, fun, and doing stuff that's cheap. Okay, 2 domain names, 20 something bucks. I want you to do an email program, 30 something bucks a month. 30, that's it. Not even tax, not 31.95. 30 bucks, I want you to get 3,000 to 6,000 leads per month. And I'm going to show you how I actually make money from that company through their affiliate. They're paying me a couple grand per month right now. That's aside from LiveGood. LiveGood's treating me good. But so is this company that gets me leads. And you need leads. But I want you to make money from LiveGood and this other company. And I want you sending out 20,000 emails per day like I do. It's taken me 3 months to get to that level. I'm going to show you how to do it faster. And I'm going to make everything so simple that it's just advice. It's like, here you go. Here's a little note. No system, no signing ups, no putting capture leads into some stupid autoresponder where you're sitting there for days and days. You're configuring stuff for leads you don't even have. Let's get you a ton of leads before you start worried about autoresponders and all this other stupid bullshit. Okay? Capiche? I know you can do this. If you're in LiveGood, awesome. We're only a year old. We have 1 million people aboard. We're doing 220 countries right now, I think. And about $11 million a month. And that'll double and triple over the next year. We have China aboard now. And just about 90% of planet Earth is participating with this great company. That's exciting. We're going places. Next 3-4 years is like Apple going woohoo. Microsoft, it's like joining Amazon in the beginning and getting stock for only a penny. How about Facebook how about Bitcoin? When Bitcoin was like a penny for 1 Bitcoin, and now 1 Bitcoin is like 30 something thousand. There's like billionaires out there that accidentally bought Bitcoin, not even knowing what it was. All right, be in the beginning. This is a legit company. We are not some pyramid scheme, some Ponzi affiliate mess. We don't sell high-end digital products. We sell nice products to people that want to buy either retail or if they want to be a wholesale purchasing, 10 bucks a month. That's it, guys. There's nothing more fancy. You want a job? Go to Jupiter, Florida. You can work at our warehouse. All right, I'm sure CEO Ben and his son will be happy. And Ryan, who designs our products with his wife, they work at the distribution center too. So go say hi. And if you want to be an affiliate, it's 40 bucks. All right. So in my mind, save about 100 to 150 bucks. I want you in. I want you locked in. I want you to be a member. I want you on a great email campaign. And I want a couple incomes coming in for you. All right. I'm going to tell you exactly what I do. Not that you have to do anything, but I want to show you what I do. And boy, if you can duplicate, and I'll help your downline too. All right, we're a 2x15 matrix, meaning I can get paid 12, 15 levels deep. That's about 13 levels below you if you sign up underneath me directly. I'll help you. I'm not going anywhere. I dig this company. It gives me a little bit of smiles every day, some money. The most money I've ever made in LiveGood was today. Today was payday. Today was the most amount of money that I've made since I signed up back in 2023. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching these videos. Systems, techniques, step-by-step training, or just good old-fashioned advice, whatever you want to call it, you absolutely need it, in my opinion, at this point. There's too much competition in LiveGood. Most people are going to be just posting randomly, and then they're going to lose focus. Good. Not you. If you're watching my videos and subscribed to my YouTube channel, I think you have 1,000% edge over other people. Okay, and just proof, all I can do is just show you my results. Every day I get 3, 5, 3, 11. Look, this morning, I've already got 5 people pre-enrolled, and out of 5, I'll probably get 1 person signed up. I had someone call me actually earlier and said they're signing up after work, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've had about 8 people sign up in like the last 7, 8 days. Okay, I average about 30 a month. Okay, sometimes as high as 40. And now that Christmas, and this is during Christmas time, guys. This was difficult. In December, everybody slowed up for obvious reasons. People are shopping and eating and partying and doing Happy New Year and Christmas, Hanukkah, and Kwanzaa. All right. Now it's January. It's time to put our big panties on. This is when money is made. If you're watching this in January of 2024, this is a good time to come aboard. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching my videos. Subscribe to the channel. Like I said, go to joincory.com, workwithcory.com. Both those videos are how I recruit, do all the training. It does everything for me. Okay, thank you. And I'll see you guys next video. They should be popping up by my head right now. Take care, guys. Bye.